Well, I took a couple videos of the snowstorm, but I took them in slow motion. So, somebody behind me here. Go around and get some shots of the blizzard of 2011. Let's see, which way should I go? Alright. Pretty snowy out there. This is on Bleach Street. That's Wickfield over there. It's pretty warm out. I got my window open. It's supposed to get bitterly cold though tonight. Like down below zero in winds. So let's see. More folks out there doing snow. Milwaukee Public Schools headquarters. I think we got about 2 feet of snow. And roads are plowed already pretty good. And this guy doesn't know how to drive in the snow. Of course, I drive too fast, probably. Well, let's go down Holly Road and see what's going on down there. The sun is warm. February sunshine until spring's coming. George! I used to work with George at Grenadiers. He owns the Wonder Bar. He looks a little hungover. Holly Road. Let's see what's going on down here. Keep my windows off. Oh, that's pretty clean. Insides need to be redone. The Menominee Valley. It's a Holly Road bridge. Really nice bridge. They redid this. They needed it really bad. I'll take it again, these corners here. Well, it's a winter wonderland, I guess. La 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 la. La 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 la. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. What else can I show you here? I'll take some of the area by my house. Splice them together. I'm all done, and these peeps are just getting out here. I guess I'm gonna have to work today. Filippo's is open, so I'll be working tonight. Oh, I'm driving too fast for conditions. La 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 la. Okay, 68th Street. I'll go back to the laundromat and put my clothes in the dryer. And then take another little video. Rose's Flower Shop. Ballestier's Pizza, man, they got the greatest pizza in that place up there. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll take another one after a little bit, in a little while,